welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from our last week's video is... Also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm just using the Suave one. You guys will need shaving cream. Then you guys will need, of course, some toilet paper. You'll also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So this no glue slime recipe is super easy, so I thought I'd show you guys how to make it today. So I'm first going to get my shampoo out, and I'm going to put it into my container. You can use a bowler plate or whatever you're using to make this slime with. And I'm just going to get mixing this up now for about a minute. Okay, that's enough mixing, and this is already like a really great slime recipe because it like doesn't really leave a big residue to you. But if you do want to make simple one ingredient no glue slime, just mix up some shampoo and put it into the refrigerator, and it's like slime. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some shaving cream into here, and that is what's going to make this fluffy to make the slime with the toilet paper. So I'm going to get mixing the shaving cream now into the soap. Okay, that's enough mixing for that. Now the last step for this recipe is I'm going to get the toilet paper out, and I'm going to get shredding it and putting it into the slime consistency, which is the soap and the shaving cream. And I'm going to get doing this now. And what the paper does is it makes a really cool buttery texture for the soap slime. So I'm going to get adding that to here now. Alright, that looks like enough. And I'm just going to mix it in. And this is kind of like a messy part, but that's okay. We'll just mix the toilet paper into the soap. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing for this. And now I'm going to put my container lid on here, and I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour. So what I'm going to do is every 30 minutes, I'm going to take this out of the fridge, check up on it to see if it's working. If it looks like it's a little bit of more of like a stiffened like texture for the slime, add some more shampoo and then just mix it up, and it will make a really cool slime texture. So I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour, and I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half, and here it is. I actually mixed it up a lot, and I added some more shaving cream into here because I really wanted it super fluffy. And here it is. And this looks like... But here is the no glue slime. It looks super awesome. I'm gonna mix it up actually to see if I can like get it fluffy kind of, if that makes sense. Yeah, but here it is. Let me try seeing how this turned out. And yeah, this is super sticky. So I think I'm actually going to put this back into the fridge for another hour. And I'll see you guys in 1 second again. Okay, so I took it out after another hour. And this is super messy, this recipe. So definitely if you want a messy slime, try out this recipe. But here it is. It's super jiggly. And the shaving cream added a lot to it to make it fluffy. And I can actually see the paper in there, which is pretty cool. But here is the no glue slime. It's just so messy, and I really don't like messy slimes. I like simple ones that just turn out great. But this one is pretty messy, so if it works for you, definitely try this out. But it was a win-win for me. Just it was super messy, as you can tell. Yeah, but here was how to make no glue paper slime. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe today. It was a bit of a messy one, but still it worked out really awesome. I'd say add some more shampoo into it if it's runny like mine. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video today. Thank you guys so much for all the support on my slime Etsy shop and on all my social medias. I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!